Lakshmi Bai, second year MCom, Department of PG Studies in Commerce, Government First Grade College, Arts, Science, Commerce, Shira. In this course, Strategic Management, through by Tirumala M. Given assignment. Assignment name is Mergers and Acquisitions. HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited. Introduction of HDFC Bank. The bank commenced operations as a scheduled commercial bank in January 1995 and April 4, 2022. The mergers of India's largest housing finance company, HDFC Limited, and the largest private sector bank in India, HDFC Bank, was announced Indian Banking and Financing Services Company headquartered in Mumbai. It is India's largest private sector bank by assets and the world's fifth largest bank by market capitalization as of August 2023 following its takeover of parent company HDFC. HDFC Limited. Introduction of HDFC Limited. On October 17, 1977, HDFC was incorporated as a public limited company. HDFC was promoted by the Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. The company got the certificate of the commencement of business. On 3rd December, HDFC provided long-term housing loan mainly to low and middle income individuals and corporate bodies. It has also provided a modest amount of the construction finance to housing development. Purpose of their merger. Geographic expansion. HDFC Bank has a strong presence in urban and semi-urban areas, while HDFC Limited has a wide reach across both urban and rural markets. The marketer allow the geographic expansion, enabling the combined entity to tap into previously untapped markets and cater to more device customers base, estimated to bring substantial benefits. The new entity now has the capacity to underwrite large ticket loans, including the infrastructure loans, thereby boosting the credit flow in the economy. Advantages of the HDFC Bank merger with HDFC Limited. The association between HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited present advantage such as a comprehensive range of financial services. Customer can benefit from seamless integration, accessing banking services from HDFC Bank and housing finance solution for the HDFC Limited, creating a one-stop shop for the various financial needs. The collaboration within the HDFC groups enhance the customers' convenience and provide a diverse range of products and services under a trusted bond. Disadvantages of HDFC Bank merger with the HDFC Limited. 1.